Hello everyone, this is Providencia. Welcome to my channel. I am here to do some delicious Dominican eggplants. This is my mother-in-law's recipe. It is very delicious. Every time I go to the Dominican Republic, that's the first thing I ask for. That and sancocho. I'm not gonna lie. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is not, healthy. You don't want to make this all the time, but like once in a blue, why not? The good thing about this recipe is that it is so easy to make. You're gonna see it in this video how fast and easy this is. So let's go. Let's start making this delicious Dominican eggplant. Yay! To make these Dominican eggplants, you're gonna need some eggs. Dominican eggplant. You can find Dominican eggplant in any Spanish supermarket. If you're unable to find Dominican eggplant, just try to get a regular eggplant, and you'll be good to go. Salt, black pepper, and some oregano. It will be best if you use ground oregano. I got that one from the Dominican Republic. And also we're gonna need corn oil to fry our eggplants. So let's go to the stove and make it happen. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is add some oil to any pot that you have in your house. It could be a frying pan as well. And make sure you have your fire on low heat while we're prepping everything on the other side. Now, it all depends how big your eggplant is. This one is a little big, so I'm going to use 3 eggs. If your eggplant is small, I would suggest 2. So I am going to crack 3 eggs. Okay, I'm sorry about that. A little shell fell in there. I had to pick it out. And then you're going to want to add just a pinch of oregano. Add some pepper, just a little bit. Don't go crazy with the pepper. And then I'm going to stab the egg yolk with my fork for it could break easy, and just beat up the eggs. Just beat up the eggs. Next, we are going to peel the eggplant. First, you want to cut, the top part out of the eggplant as you see in this video. And then start peeling the skin. Make sure that you rinse your eggplant. Okay? Then we're gonna start cutting it. Now, this will be a perfect size for you to cut them. You don't want to make it too fat, and you don't want to make it too skinny either. And I'm sorry that this is not auto-focusing. I don't know what's been going on with my phone lately. But anyways, I'm mixing the eggs one more time, and yeah, from there we go right back to the stove. Now, I must admit, I lost the clip. Yes, I did. I had did the first batch and I lost that one. But you didn't really lose out on anything. Okay, so I'm going to still show you what you have to do. That is my egg mixture. First, you're going to want to fry your eggplant. Do not add no egg. Don't dip the eggplant in your eggs. No. Fry it just like that. Turn it every couple of minutes. And I forgot to mention, from this point you should have your fire on, at least on medium. You don't want it high, you don't want it low. You just, you want to have it on medium. When you see that it's cooked, then you take it out. We're not looking for color, we're just trying to cook them a little bit, okay? here I am frying more eggplants. Once you finish frying your eggplants, then you're going to want to add it to your eggs mixture and then put it into your pot. Now I wanted to put this on slow motion because I want you to see what I'm doing here. Every time I scoop out an eggplant, there's some eggs with the eggplant, like at least a little bit of egg. You're going to want to do that. You're going to want to have just a little bit of eggs every time you scoop it out and you're putting it into the pot. If I'm making any sense. Flip it every minute or two, just to check up on it. You're looking for a golden brown color. Remember, the eggplant is already cooked, so you're basically looking for color. These Dominican eggplants are so good, but yes, so simple. My kids do not like eggplants. I do. There's a lot of food that I like that my kids do not like, and sometimes it's hard for me to do different types of recipes because they don't like it. But no, not no more. I'm sorry. My husband is here, so if they don't like it, me and my husband will be more than glad to eat it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, there's been a lot of times that I want to cook different things, but I know my kids do not eat it, and then I will have to eat it by myself because my husband wasn't here. But now that my husband is here, I'm gonna make everything. So yes, I'm gonna be bringing a lot of recipes to this channel. So now it's time to take them out. As you can see, it's nice and golden. Make sure you have a plate with napkins because you want to make sure, you remove all the excess grease. Like I said, this ain't healthy, but it's so good. Don't eat this every day, though. Don't eat this every day. Trust me, it's good. You're going to want to eat it every day. But don't eat this every day. That particular day, I also made some steaks with onions and peppers. That recipe is already on my channel, as well as the habichuela de gandules or guandules, depending on where you're from. Those are already on my channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. And yeah. I also made a simple salad. I wish I would have had cucumbers and all that good stuff, but I was working with what I had. And here is my salad dressing right here, homemade and healthy rather than buying it from a store. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you that. Dinner is done. Now, I had to put the slow motion because the clip was only like, 59 seconds, and that was a video that I did for TikTok, Instagram, and you know how it is. If you want to follow me on my social media, you could. Everything is down in the description box below, and you could get to see platings and my food before it even gets to this channel. But yeah, those are the Dominican eggplant. Oh my god, so delicious. I'm editing right now, and listen, I'm about to make that this week. Yes, I am. It is so good. That is the steaks that I was just telling you about. And I also made the beans, which is pigeon peas, habichuela de guandules or gandules. And yeah, all those recipes are in my channel. So yeah, make it, you know. I go into details in my videos. If I can make it, you can make it. Avocado, white rice with some sweet plátanos, plantains. I love me some sweet plátanos. Yes, I do. And some salad. I don't like to add the salad dressing right away. I like to make sure that when I sit, then I add my salad dressing. So you'll be able to learn all three recipes if you browse through my uploads, and you'll be able to see it. And that's about it. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video. Please share my videos on your social media platform. I try my best to do all of these videos and my recipes with love. So I would really appreciate it if you share my videos. Share it with your friends and your family, your loved ones. It will really help my channel grow. Give this video and all of my videos a thumbs up. That helps my channel grow as well. And that's basically it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Take care. God bless. Please be safe in these streets. Because there's a lot of stuff going on around the world. But yes, be careful. And that's about it. Take care now. Bye.